Introducing Confection Couture's new custom monogram and message cookie stencils. Each design is available in 3 choices of overlays. The first is a simple one overlay style where all the design elements are included on one stencil. This option is perfect for the novice or someone who wishes to make many cookies quickly. Or if you're an advanced stenciler, you can use masking tools or Glad press and seal to isolate individual elements. Using your stencil tools and chosen colorant, airbrush your custom design. Option 2 includes 2 overlays, one with the background and frame, and the other with the custom letter or message. This style is ideal when stenciling 2 different colors. First, airbrush the background and frame using the first color. Then switch colorants and add the custom letter or message. Option 3 includes separate overlays for each different element, the background, the frame, and the letter/message. First, place the masking piece in the center of the cookie. Next, place the background stencil over the masking piece and cookie using the Stencil Genie and Screen Genie. Airbrush your background color. Now center the frame element over the Stencil Genie and line up within the space on the cookie. Use 2 quadrant masking tools to protect the edges of the cookie from overspray. Load your second color into a clean airbrush tool. Using the third color, position your final custom stencil in the center of the frame element. To create your custom cookie stencils, visit Confection Couture Stencils.com today.